Well, our first guest is joining us direct via Skype. Dr. Nadir Pourhassan is the CEO of a company called CytoDyn Incorporated. CYDY is their stock symbol. Dr. Pourhassan, welcome to the program.
Thank you for having me.
We're very pleased to have you now. CytoDyn describes itself as a biotechnology company developing innovative treatments for multiple therapeutic indications based on leronlimab, a novel humanized monoclonal antibody. Can you give us a general overview of the company, please?
Yes, this company has a product that could be the next Humira, and I'll make the case to you right now. The company has one product called leronlimab, which the lab name for it was Pro-140 in the past publications. This is a monoclonal antibody. It's a humanized antibody, and it has been developed for the world of HIV. It has been in almost 800 patients with 0 serious adverse event, and we are developing it also for multiple cancer indications.
Well, leronlimab has been proven useful in initial trials for treatment for both metastatic breast cancer and HIV, and has fast track for both of these indications. What can you tell us about that?
Depending on how much time you want me to spend on this answer for this question, I can go in detail with the results of what we have. The company went in the world of cancer by filing a phase 2 protocol after seeing 98% inhibition of metastasis in animal study. We were hoping to replicate that in human study. The FDA immediately gave us phase 2 to go forward, and we injected 2 patients. And those 2 patients, the results were so stunning that we are going to file for breakthrough designation this month. And we have said that in a public, the first patient, the tumor shrunk by 20%. That doesn't happen in triple negative breast cancer with carboplatin only. And their doctor is saying that they now are talking to their other colleagues. And as we reported these results one after another, we've been getting over 25, 30 patients now are wanting to get involved with this product in metastatic cancers. And just for the purpose of audiences knowing, this product looks like has, according to our key opinion leaders, 22 different indications, 22 different cancer indications. And as we have shown to the public, the BLA is being submitted for HIV, so we're ready to get approval, hopefully, for our HIV. So we have proven ourselves with the safety, with the efficacy, and everything to the FDA, and we're filing that BLA very soon. So that's where we are. This is a very exciting time for us.
Well, fast track by the FDA, that's a significant achievement, isn't it?
Well, not only for HIV, we have fast track designation based upon great results that gave us $28 million worth of grant from NIH back 10 years ago. We now got fast track designation on cancer just recently. So this is really exciting to see that the FDA said in regards to side effect, toxicity, compliance, and resistance, you have shown us better product than the standard of care, so we give you fast track designation.
Now, the company recently entered into definitive agreements with Viera Pharmaceuticals to commercialize leronlimab in the U.S. for the treatment of HIV, and you also have a huge contract with Samsung Biologics. Can you share some details of these 2 deals with us?
Absolutely. We need product to be able to sell post-approval, and we need to spend $70 million to launch the product. We didn't spend $70 million. We signed a contract where it gives us $87.5 million milestones and upfront payment of that they gave us already. So we're very happy to solve that part of the problem. And the next problem was manufacturing. $500 million worth of product will cost $70 million upfront. Samsung agreed to not accept the payment right up front and do the payment at a later time, but the product will be ready to be received by us in another 4 months or so.
That's really fantastic. Now, what happens next?
So now all we have to do is just file our BLA, get approval, and with our breakthrough designation, you never know. We might have FDA come back and say you can start selling in phase 4 in your cancer trial because the results have been stunning. If that happens, we have the product, we have all the infrastructure set ready to go to let the world have this product if the cancer is happening to be as what it is.
Well, Dr. Pourhassan, why is this a good time right now for people to take a closer look at CytoDyn?
Well, with HIV, monotherapy was told by Gilead's analysts long time ago that if this company has success with monotherapy, the shares of Gilead, their sales of Gilead would be threatened. Gilead is not going to be 10 times, in my opinion, in the next 6 months or so, but our company has a chance at double-digit $10 very easily, according to our analysis we have done. This company's shares are undervalued, and if people pay attention to the fundamental, I think they will find it very attractive investment.
Once again, CytoDyn Incorporated, CYDY is their stock symbol. Fantastic interview, Dr. Pourhassan. Looking forward to more updates from you in the future. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.